So today we do a mix. So pick one song, drag and drop on the deck one. Then use Baby Scratch to start the music. Click and hold till the music starts playing. Then we loop out to stop the music. Then we can restart the music again as it plays. We wrote the music on deck 2. The music will be mixing with the first song. Click on sync to make sure the songs are in well in terms of rhythm. You don't want one song to be fast, the other one to be slow. Then we remove vocal just to play instruments. Then on the first song, let's disable bass before we start playing the second song. So we start playing after the song I've played for some time. So our vocal is disabled on the second song to make sure the instruments on the first song are played on the instruments on the second song are played on the first song. So we disable bass on the first song, then Baby Scratch the second song. They are playing together. So we go to stem to make sure you are ready. On the second song, set to play very wide, and now enable vocals. Then backspin, loop out the first song. That stops, then the second song continues playing. So look for that song and load on the first deck by double clicking, then click on sync to make sure the rhythm around this one will be very slow, so we won't use that. Sample these. Yeah, this one can go well with the second song, so we disable vocal and Baby Scratch to start. So click and hold. Then we disable bass on the second song. If the song starts to play, disable the bass on second song. Let the music play for some time. Then enable stem for the first song and enable vocal. Then loop out the second song. We wrote the fourth song to deck 2. And we repeat the same process. So we are using stem and also scratch, Baby Scratch, and the stem we're playing around with vocal and bass, then loop out. So again we repeat the same thing. Disable the bass, enable the vocal for the second song, and loop out the first song. So as it stops, the second song is playing. So we look for another song that will arrive. Yeah, that one. Disable vocal, and Baby Scratch. So I can disable bass for the second song and Baby Scratch the first song. As it plays, enable vocal, and on second song you backspin. So these are just basics. So sync again, then disable vocal, Baby Scratch, so disable the bass for the first song, Then baby scratch the second song. As it plays, enable vocal. Then break start the first song. It's that simple. Now let's listen to what we have done. Listen into the mix we have done. It's always good to preview what you have done to be sure you have done it the correct way. And practice makes perfect. So this is the last song we are playing. Enable vocal. Then break start the second song. So it's that simple. It's very simple. Then we need to stop the first song. So as a DJ, you just use any of the effects to stop the song. You'll be using the boot, and that's it. You can then, if you're recording, go to settings and then stop the recording.
Lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste it, you can fucking try me. Try to play what you hate, bitch. You know where to play what I do ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. Expect nothing less, your check is I'm chest. What's happening next? He got the venom, a tangible weapon. No coming in second, this life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just hold an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep on this evening. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions, bullets in the gun. One shot to the head, I need a blank space. 'Cause everything is a threat, but I never back down. Man, I'd rather be dead, I'm making love to fame. She look better in bed, and I'ma walk this life till I take my last breath. I wanna make a change. I got one life left, so I'm gonna go down swinging, don't you forget. Everything is so
name, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I made.
I struggle just to be
I
me.
turn flaws
Had to
into
rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce.
It's all ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your work.